Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm walking you through how to set up tipping options for your Shopify checkout. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give your customers a smooth, friendly way to leave a tip during checkout. Whether you run a cafe, a bakery, or any business that benefits from those little gestures of appreciation. If you've ever wondered how to boost your checkout experience and perhaps add a little more revenue, this is for you. Let's dive right into the steps. No fluff, just what you need. So starting from your Shopify dashboard, you'll want to head over to the settings area. It's down near the bottom left. This is basically your shop's control room, where you tweak everything from payments to shipping. Once you're in settings, look for the checkout section. Click on that, and you'll see options related to how your customers pay, complete their orders, and more. Now, within the checkout section, there's a specific part dedicated to tipping. Shopify's made it really straightforward. Find the tipping area in the options. It might take a second to spot it if you haven't poked around in settings before. Don't worry, just scroll down slowly and you'll see tipping. It's usually towards the lower half of the settings page. Here's where things get interesting. Shopify allows customers to choose from 3 preset tipping amounts, or they can enter a custom amount. This flexibility is great because not everyone is comfortable with a fixed tip. Some days a customer might want to be extra generous, and other days maybe just a small gesture. That's why presets are handy. They guide your customers, but also give them room to choose. You'll want to check the box that says Show Tipping Options at Checkout. Once you do, you'll immediately be able to set those preset amounts. Let's talk about the numbers for a second. By default, you might want to set preset 1 at 10, preset 2 at 15, and preset 3 at 20. These usually represent percentages. So, a customer making a $20 purchase, if they choose the 10% preset, their tip will be $2. It's a familiar structure for most folks, kind of like the little suggestion buttons you see in coffee shops and rideshare apps. Setting these presets takes just a moment, but it's worth considering what makes sense for your business. Maybe you want higher percentages, or perhaps lower, depending on what you sell. Now, there's a neat option I really recommend. You can choose to hide tipping options until customers choose to add a tip. What does this do? Basically, your checkout screen stays nice and clean, and tipping only pops into view if someone elects to leave a tip. This keeps things uncluttered for those who aren't interested and feels less pushy. It's a gentle nudge, not a demand. Much like having a tip jar by the cash register instead of up front in someone's face. Once you've customized everything, the presets, the display options, don't forget to click Save. This step might sound obvious, but it's so easy to tweak settings and then forget to lock them in, especially if you're multitasking. Take a moment, double-check that everything looks good, and hit that Save button. That's it. Your tipping options are now live on your Shopify store's checkout. Customers will see a clear, easy way to show their appreciation, and you've made it seamless for them. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials just like this. Have any questions or want advice about which tipping amounts work best for your business? Drop a comment below. I read everyone, and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.